Hello happy souls, this is my new project Suzuki Max 100 or revamp, and these are all the chapters which I've categorized for this rebuild project. And now we are in chapter 10 with parts buildup, and in that we are in part 5 with clutch basket or clutch bell assembly. This is a clutch bell assembly. Basically it is mounted with 3 studs which are made of aluminum, and we have to grind these aluminum to replace the internal parts. And you can use an angle grinder like this, or you can use a sharp screwdriver or a tool, and you can chop off the head of the aluminum part, and we can remove the plate like this. And after removing this plate we get access to the internal parts, and these are all the rubber bushes which holds the basket and the gear assembly. And basically this gear is the one which transmit power from the crank to the clutch plates and to the gear uh, gear assembly. And after taking this, all the rubber bushes need to be cleaned, and you can use diesel or you can use any WD-40 like rust remover or other things. And we have to take these studs, and for taking this you can use a long desk or some other thing, because that's the area where the thickness is too high. And this is the one I said, the gear which transmit power and to the clutch plates and then to the gear assembly. And after this, and this is a new one, the pricing is around 50 rupees, and it may vary depending upon the place and the distributor. And this is the 2022 pricing. And basically it has like 6 bushes, a pair for each slot, and 3 small type rubber bushes and 3 studs for locking the clutch basket assembly. First we have to install these small rubber bushes, and for taking these studs, the second thing you can do is we shouldn't place like this, because it while hitting it may damage the other parts. Instead you can keep a socket like this, and you can start hitting at the top, because the thickness is bigger in that place. And these are all the small rubbers. You have to be placing in this order. The flattened part should be facing upward, and after seating these small rubbers, we can take the clutch basket assembly and you can cover like this, so that while inversing it won't fall. And the next thing is we have to position it, and we have to keep it in center, and we can put these rubber bushes. And after that we can cover the clutch basket assembly with the cover plate like this, and you have to position the hole. And for the stud, we can insert in this way, and start hitting with a small sized hammer at the top, evenly. And here I'm not going to show that because my house owner is there today. And goodbye.